We're getting ready to cook some dinner. So yeah, here we go. We're gonna have some dinner over this fire. This awesome little knife helped me start the fire. Survival Preacher gave me this. Works pretty dang good. So I'll have a link to his channel down in the description. Check him out. But yeah, that was awesome. Just had some weeds. I had a little tumbleweed fire starter down there too that I had, but then there's just some sagebrush. I love starting a fire with sagebrush. It just smells so good. So here we go. We'll get this going, get some good coals, and we'll be back to cook some dinner. Okay, we're ready. We're gonna cook some dinner. The plan was tonight we was gonna have hamburgers, but we forgot to load them in the cooler. So we always make sure we have hot dogs in the cooler. So if you have hot dogs, you'll always have something to eat, but we're gonna spice it up a little bit. What I did is I slit the hot dogs, and we have some mozzarella cheese, so we stuffed it with mozzarella cheese. And then I just wrapped a strip of bacon around it. I hope that one holds on. I kind of done it.
Nope, it's gonna drop.
In and out because they spin on this stick. So we'll just kind of cook this. I'll just kind of hold this and hopefully it'll stay on there. But yeah, Jenny and I we're down. It's Cannonville, Utah. It's about 15 miles away from Bryce Canyon National Park. We just got here today. It's Easter weekend. We're gonna do some outdoor cooking. We're gonna go in the park tomorrow, do a little hiking. Yeah, see those? They spin on those sticks. Yeah, this should work good. Got a nice bed of coals. We'll just spin these a little bit. I might have to adjust that one on the right, huh, baby?
Yeah, I tried to tell you.
Yeah, so it's about sunset right now. Yeah, this is pretty fun. So I'll just spin these hot dogs, and when they get closer to being done, we'll see you back. That one bacon just keeps hanging down. Look at that wiener, Jenny. The cheese is melting up good. But yeah, everybody watching, I had to spin the hot dog sideways because when they was the other way, they were like falling off and I couldn't rotate them. So I kind of threaded them on sideways. But yeah, look at that. That's pretty cool. The cheese is shrinking up. And we're cooking up pretty good to get that bacon going. I'm trying to get it close enough to the fire where that bacon will cook up good. But look at that.
You're burning it.
No. Look at those. Those look pretty good.
They do.
I just want to get that bacon a little more crisp because I'm sure the wieners are done. Sure is fun rolling wieners around the fire. Look at that. See, it's cooking up quick. It just had to get to the right temperature.
Yeah, I think the bacon's getting done now. What happened to your cheese?
It's not very drippy cheese, that's for sure. It like shrunk right up in the
hot dog.
Hot dog. Okay, so I think we're about done. We're gonna get these on a plate, and we'll see you back to do a taste test on these. Okay, we're ready to taste test. We're almost running out of light, but yeah, the wiener's got a little black on the end, but man, look at that. That looks pretty good. Yummy. The bacon gives it so much flavor, and the cheese. And then we have a little, let me eat this bacon. Good. Little wedge salad here. Jenny made some homemade blue cheese dressing, so we'll have the recipe in the description for this dressing, and then we have walnuts and...
Those are pecans.
You tell them what it is.
It's pecans.
Pecans. Oh, that's good. Yummy. So yeah, we're having fun here. We're gonna go hiking. We'll get some good shots in the outdoors. I hope you like this video. We'll see you next time.